Good day. Wow, look at that fuzzy light, eh? Anyways, I'm out in the garage. I've got to do a few things. Tomorrow, I've got to pop over and take a look at another leaky thing. A tap. This one's in a shower. And this one's I fixed before, so I think I know what it is. I think the seat in the tap is done. So, there's a couple of things I gotta do. And one is, see if I can find a seat, which is gonna be difficult, I think, because I don't know the manufacturer of the tap, and I don't even know if the seat comes out. There's some cheap taps out there that the seats don't come out. So, I gotta get my plumbing kit up on the bench here, rifle through it. I think I have a seat grinder or reconditioner. I think that's a thing, and I think I've got one. So I'm gonna look through my toolkit. Well, you remember those locks I mentioned yesterday? They're still there. There. Put them under the bench. I don't need them out here. Won't be getting into those until spring. So you may be asking yourself, what does a seat tool look like? And hopefully I can show you. Stuff. Oh, look, a ball cock. Huh. Imagine that. I got some digging around to do. I should have gloves on for this because it is cold. Come on. Try and use the tripod. Hey guys. I know what it is, I don't know why it's there. PEX. Got one of these. That's not what I need though. Another one of these. I wonder what they're out of. Okay. It doesn't look like we're having any luck. Shoot. But I got two of these. Okay. So that's a fail on those things. So we're just gonna pile all this stuff back in there. There's my wrench. Tap wrench. Oh, you know what I don't see is my seat tool. Or my seat wrench. I wonder where it's gone. I bet I lent it out. I mentioned seat wrench. typically most seats come out with an Allen key, so I've got them here, but some of them come out with a four-sided thing, and the seat wrench has one side of it has different Allen key slots, the other side has different four-sided sizes. Oh well, not here. Why am I keeping this? Oh, this is from Mom's. I'm gonna keep that. So the seat repair tool I'm looking for, I can't find. It's kind of like this, but much flatter. And I think the one I have has a curved outer edge, so it makes a nice round thing. Bring this along. I don't know if it'll work. We'll see. Actually, I should get online and start Googling and see if a hardware store has anything. Because pandemic, everything's closed down. You have to do the drive-by shopping stuff at the hardware store, so better do that. Just check in here. Okay, that's too bad. I've done another little look around, and I cannot find that thing. So we'll take that one tool with me, and it'll work. Well, it may work, it may not. We'll see. I'll have to take a good look inside and see what the seats look like, because they get pitted. Typically it's the hot water one that does it, and it gets loose, or it gets expansion and contraction. It just on a molecular level, things start to break down and it wears away, especially if you don't turn the taps tightly and close them. Okay, I guess, yeah, I gotta go inside and do that. Look for that stuff. It's gonna load this in the car so it's ready for tomorrow. Really hope that this place doesn't require a new tap setup. That would mean breaking out the kitchen wall. The kitchen's on the other side of the bathroom. What is that? That's a Christmas tree. What's it doing in the front yard? I just haven't found the food on it yet. It's odd. Feed the critters. Looked up those footy prints. It was a raccoon. Look what they did. Come on. Okay, they're fed. Now, let's go in and see if I can find those tools. So, whoop. Oh, that's what toilet seats look like. So that's what faucet seats look like. Oh, that's a bicycle seat. Ones I think I'm dealing with are something like these, but as you can see, there's a whole bunch of different sizes. No, we'll figure it out. There it is. Faucet resetting tool. Okay, should I order one in advance? The more I look at this thing, I don't think it's the right one. This says it's for resetting your faucet if you're removing it without scratching or damaging it. I don't understand that. So it does look like the thing I used to have, but mine had the bumpy bits on the bottom down here. So I'm wrong. This is the thing I need. So I'm gonna order it. So I went to my cart. Look at this. Pandemic pricing. I have to spend $50 for them to get an order ready for you.